Hello, my name is Pooja Ganguly
My name's Steffi Paxnos.
and I specialized in governance.
I did the leadership specialisation.
I didn't really have any experience in environmental consulting before, and this unit seemed like a really good option to give it a go before I took it up as a full-time career.
Most people think it's a little bit unusual that I've gone from sports journalism into the sustainability or sustainable development field, but I decided a few years ago that I wanted to do something that I was really passionate about.
My project was with the local council of City of Casey, and we were looking at a sustainable transition to a sustainable transport model for them. I did not have any prior experience working with local councils in the Australian context.
Our project was assigned to create a board game for high school students in Indonesia to teach them about water sensitive cities principles. And I thought that working in a team environment on a challenging project would be something that would be an amazing opportunity.
Our recommendations included a short, medium and long-term policy project which the council would implement across its jurisdiction.
The dice, the cards, the whole concept of the game, a tutorial video.
Social, environmental as well as behavioural change policies.
Ready for the social enterprise and the other partners to take it to the next step.
It was a great experience. I think one of the main things that you really learn is how to work in an interdisciplinary group.
EcoFund Indonesia and its partners are now looking for funding to commercialise it.
The unit had a big impact on me. I ended up starting my own consulting business. We are trying to make the transition to a sustainable future for businesses fun, easy and certain. Seeing
something develop from just a very small idea to the end product with some ups and downs along the way was a fantastic experience. Yeah.